here with some shoes on, without no shoes.
Don't show my birthmark.
I'm posting. It's gonna be my first intro. The intro will be like this.
Watch out.
It's Fred.
I don't even know what's happening.
It's Fred.
Go put some shoes on.
Over here, Joe.
From the block like you Jenny. I know you special girl cause I know too many.
Hey, look, I do Kaya. I'm gonna show y'all for. Finna go inside.
Look, just watch this. You put this.
It smell good in here.
Right. Cool. You and then open up.
I'm putting on my phone, but
Stephanie, I
I know.
the truck. Did Mama tuck yours down? The truck.
Oh shoot! Yeah, we finally-
They got all the trucks. Bro, we got big cars.
We finally got our own seat.
Everybody get in the back for real. Get in the back.
No, I'm sitting up here.
I like sitting in the back, so I'm good. Y'all can have the front seats. I'm in the back.
I'm in the front, right here.
I'm in the back seat.
You two should I? Y'all gonna have to get in the back too.
The back is fun. Junior and Sam can be in the back. Devin.
So check it out, back.
Devin right there. Can I go in the back? Yeah. Chill it. This way, Devin. Oh, yeah. My teacher said we always come to school with different cars.
True, cause we did came to school with the white car.
Yeah, we came to school with white car, truck.
Get in the front.
Everybody said it. No, let me get in front. I'm a blue, my brother tripping. I like hot sauce. Come on, Daddy.
Too late. What is this? Safety, okay?
Watch the seat. It's cold right here. It's cold.
Good job. Good job right here.
It smells good too. Who was that? You too?
Oh, this is cute rich gang. Y'all feel me? Ain't that right?
Always come through with them big
Yeah, they got them big old things, you know what I'm saying? Got them big old whips.
I was trying to ask her.
Oh, she thinks she is.
She got them big old whips, bro. She balling out in the street.
Nah, mama got those big, get those big glass.
Mama be coming through with the big thing.
Look.
Wait, bro, wait.
Let me get him a tour. Let me get him a tour. Let me get him a tour. Look, back seats, new cars, back seat, back there, clean,
Hey, my
Up.
birthday, I got it in a new
and a new whip.
car. You don't be recording good. Shaking it everywhere.
I ain't shaking. Got this TV.
So, dude, show that TV.
Show you that TV. You get bored, watch that TV. Just need to clean it a little bit. What? How you turn it on?
It should be a TV back there, too.
Yeah, should be. Ah.
No, everybody can see the TV.
It's just one.
Yeah,
Joey! Boy!
yeah.
He outside.
They let him out, mama did.
How you turn it on?
Joey don't got no
We
shoes.
don't need to turn it on right now.
I think you turn off the location.
You turn it on with the car.
Back in the car I go. They know you don't got shoes on.
Shoot, everybody start. Alright, guys, my phone just set some storage, but I have to fix it. Get y'all situated. Who she think she is looking at me like that? She think she all that.
I know mama has.
Whoa, wow. I took. Hold on, wait. We could cook a barbecue back here.
Yeah, boy. Tasha kids get in there.
Oh, here come
Pop that trunk. Let it go, boy.
Yeah, pop that trunk.
We can't wrap this.
Yes, we can wrap this. We can. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Mama got the permissions and stuff for it.
It's, you got a
Yeah.
paper plate.
Yeah.
Oh
right there?
yeah, y'all see that?
Told you, boy. And plus, Mama got the insurance for it too. So she spent double money on it.
Like y'all, I'm in the streets. I feel me. In the streets, looking at this car.
Look. What's it do? You supposed to let it down? No, boy. I thought it let down by itself.
Boy, you out here with some shoes on, without no shoes.
Don't show my birthmark.
I'm posting. It's gonna be my first intro. The intro will be like this.
Watch out.
It's Fred.
I don't even know what's happening.
It's Fred.
Go put some shoes on.
Over here, Joe.
I told him to cut it on. It was hot.
Yeah, it was.
You turn it off now. Come on, make a run.
You coming too? You coming too, Mom?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Joey.
Joey going? He can. Shut up, Crystal.
I'm gonna go get my side. Me too.
Joey, come here, boy. You can't go over there yet. Come on, boy. Over here. I know. He's scared.
Dave, he got in there by himself.
She thinks she can sit in the front.
Let me see if the TV works.
That's a whole family
This say you
car.
be riding big cars.
That's a whole family car right there. How you turn TV on?
I don't know.
Y'all got in the Flamingo yesterday?
Huh?
Y'all got in that Flamingo yesterday?
Ah.
Y'all left that thing lonely? Our work car over there. This car better too. I like this car right there.
I'm gonna watch TV. You might. You
I like do this until we get to the store, y'all. I'll see y'all right there. Alright guys, we got the stuff.
It makes 8 to 10 Ks. We can look around for them. Look at the cases right there.
What?
Look at the chargers over there.
Y'all do need another charger.
Mom, they go goggles.
Here, you hold it. Right there, what size you wear?
What one you going?
What size do you wear? They do large, medium, small. So she probably
Medium.
small.
Yeah, small.
You can say young, yeah.
Okay.
What's these?
Here you go.
Okay, then what's her Are these toys?
These are swim shoes.
This man right here.
This is like 7. Too big. Needs to go in a small.
Push.
It needs to be a small. Hold yours, extra just hold it.
You finna get pink too.
I can't get pink.
Yeah, you can.
Coco.
Let me see if it's another color.
Look for extra small. And find yours.
What are you looking for?
Over here, some swim shoes.
Mom, this picture.
5.5. This right here is 5.5.
Okay.
This
What size is that? What size is that? That's not for you, John. You're gonna need a large, ain't you?
that look right here.
This look my size.
What size is yours?
Mine's small. My feet bigger than his. We're famous.
Yeah. Oh, I know them guys.
Robin that see
You
me.
recording?
Robin that see me.
That's crazy. You recording me?
So you the one.
It's ugly. Look. Man.
Pause this.
From the block like you Jenny. I know you special girl, cause I know too many. Reach out, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever